God Almighty will judge the Britain that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani terrorists in Nigeria. I'm saying it again. Britain, they are one of the country that are sponsoring Fulani terrorists in Nigeria. British government, God Almighty will judge you for the evil, for the innocent blood you have shed in Nigeria. Britain, God Almighty will judge you for the innocent blood of the Christians in Nigeria that you people are sponsoring. You colonize Nigeria, and yet you are still in control in Nigeria. You colonize Nigeria, you give them independence, but everything that happened in Nigeria, you are aware of all the things that is happening in Nigeria. Britain do not want Nigeria to divide. Britain do not want Nigeria to divide. During the Biafran war, when the Biafrans, when the black Jews, Igbos, they want separate from Nigeria, and the Britain sponsor Nigeria government, massacred, slaughtered millions of the Igbos, millions of the black Jews, because Britain do not want Nigeria to divide. Our politicians, our governors, our presidents, they are talking about Luga, to give Fulani terrorist land. All the 36 states we have in Nigeria, each state will provide millions of plot of land, city, empty land, and those Fulani terrorists will come, they will occupy there. All the 36 states we have in Nigeria, they will give terrorists land. To show you that they are politicians, they are involved of this evil, massacring of innocent people. We are living in a wicked generation, and the Britain that colonized Nigeria, they are in support of this. They are in support of this Islamization. They are in support to give Fulani land, terrorist land, all the 36 states we have in Nigeria, so that they will conquer. Britain, they are in support of this evil that is happening in Nigeria. Nigeria government, why are you killing your people? British government, why are you killing Nigerians? Britain, why are you killing Nigerians? During the Biafran war, Britain sponsored Nigeria to slaughter millions of Jews. During the Biafran war, Britain sponsored Nigeria government to massacre millions of Igbos, black Jews. Nigeria government has no power to accommodate terrorists in Nigeria. They have no power to give Fulani terrorist land, all the 36 states we have in Nigeria. They have no strength to do it. But the Britain that colonized Nigeria, that joined this country together, they are in support of this. Without Britain backing them, they will not do it. Britain do not want Biafra to have freedom. Britain do not want Oduduwa to have freedom. Britain do not want Nigeria to divide. They are fighting to make sure that Nigeria is one. But they are in support to give terrorists land. They are in support for Nigeria government to accommodate terrorists in Nigeria. But God Almighty will destroy their plan. Thank God for President Donald Trump. And I pray that President Donald Trump, this good work he has started in Nigeria, he will finish it. President Donald Trump, this good work you have started in Nigeria, you will finish it. Don't find anybody. And President Donald Trump, if you want to succeed, if you want to do the right thing in Nigeria, don't work with Nigerian politicians. They will not tell you the truth. I broke the bones of the Fulani terrorists in Nigeria. This is the prayer point I pray in the video I do in the year 2021. I broke the bones of the Fulani terrorists in Nigeria. I broke their bones. God Almighty will destroy their plans in Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu, who is British citizen, Nigeria government went to Kenya and kidnapped him. He is in the prison. Nnamdi Kanu, who is a citizen of Britain, but the Britain do not do anything. They keep quiet because Nnamdi Kanu is talking about Biafra. He wants the Biafra to have freedom in Nigeria. But Britain do not want Nigeria to divide. If Nnamdi Kanu is sponsoring Fulani terrorists Boko Haram, He will not be in prison. The government will back him. The government will guide him. The government will protect him. Wicked generation. We are living a wicked generation. The innocent blood is crying. Thousands of the innocent blood of Nigerians are crying in heaven. Innocent blood is crying against these foreign terrorists that are massacring people in Nigeria, most especially Christians, and everybody are keeping quiet. Have you seen Britain condemn Christian genocide in Nigeria? The answer is no. The Britain that colonized this country, they are in charge of Nigeria, but they never open mouth to condemn the Christian genocide that is going on in Nigeria. If Britain want Nigeria to divide now, British will come, they will divide Nigeria. If Britain want Nigeria to divide now, under 1 month, Nigeria will be divided. They will do it. They have the power to do it. They have the power to do it. Even the less of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Britain is aware of this. Even the time when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is coming to Kenya, Britain is aware of this thing that is happening. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a citizen of Britain, the United Kingdom, but they do not even stand up to condemn the evil that Nigerian government are doing to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stood up against the evil that Britain are doing in Nigeria. British government, they are one of the country, many countries, but Britain, they are one of the country, head, king, that are sponsoring this evil that is happening in Nigeria. If you are praying against our politicians that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen, pray also against the Britain. They are one of the people that are sponsored this evil that is happening in Nigeria. I'm the one that's saying it. I have spoken.